Hello dear students, how are you? You all are fine na? Good. Today we are going to learn hard words and their spelling in nature poem. उसके पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए. In the previous video, I had explained nature poem. Now we will see hard words and their spellings of nature poem. The first hard word is nature and the nature spelling is Nature. Now let's make the spelling of nature. For the nature spelling, we have to take first N letter, N, then A, T, U, R, and then E. In this way, we made the spelling of nature. What is the spelling of nature? Nature. Nature. Next hard word is might. 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 Now let's make the spelling of might. For the might spelling, we have to take first M letter, then I, G, H, and last T. MIGHT, might. Then third hard word is strong. STRONG, strong. For the strong spelling, we have to take first S letter, then T, R, O, N, and last G. STRONG, strong. What is the spelling of strong? STRONG, strong. Then beauty. What is the spelling of beauty? BEAUTY, beauty. Then we have to take first B letter, then E, A, U, T, and Y. In this way, we made the spelling of beauty. BEAUTY, beauty. Then moody. MOODY, moody. For the moody spelling, we have to take first M letter, then O, again O, D, and then Y. What is the spelling of moody? MOODY, moody. MOODY, moody. Then SMART, smart. SMART, smart. SMART, smart. Then blue. BLUE, blue. For the blue spelling, we have to take first B letter, then L, then U, and then E. Very easy spelling. BLUE, blue. Then next hard word is green. GREEN, green. GRE, again E, and then N, green. GREEN, green. Then next hard word is true. TRUE, true. For the true spelling, we have to take first letter T, then R, then U, and then E. TRUE, true. TRUE, true. Then Ever. E-V-E-R. Ever. E-V-E-R. Ever. E-V-E-R. Ever. And the last hard word is free. F-R-E-E. Free. For the spelling of free, we have to take first letter F, then R, then E, and then again E. Free. F-R-E-E. Free. About these hard words, you have any question or problem, then please write in comment box, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.